The tidal wave of AI video has begun. Can you remain with your head above water? Now, where do you begin? And what kind of AI video tools should you use? How do you create that video that you have in your mind? Because with AI, everything is possible, right? Hey there, Jan-Willem here from Videostate. I can help you create something like this. The state of video changes every day. I've been following the developments of AI video since the beginning and produce video content about it every single week. I created crossovers from movies with AI that generated thousands of views. And I even started my own franchise, Mara Steel.
My name is Mara Steel. Jan-Willem is my creator. He has designed me as a sentinel of justice. I'm thankful.
This is my invitation to you to come behind the scenes where I will demonstrate how to create video with AI. Now, I will walk you through the entire process of creating video with AI, consisting of pre-production, such as creative concepting, scripting and storytelling, followed by video production with AI tools, and finally editing your video into a cinematic masterpiece. And if you still have questions later on, you're more than welcome to join a thriving AI creator community. Now, I'm not just a guy who just jumped on the AI bandwagon since now. No, I've been passionate about video all my life. I grew up in the 80s in the VHS era. I even once drove 6 hours to meet my personal hero, Jean-Claude Van Damme. In the last 8 years, I've created any type of video that you can think of. From hand-drawn whiteboard animations to live action videos, from commercial to non-profit, from 30-second ads to 30-minute documentary. As a creative director, I will guide you through this exciting new world of AI video and show you how you can let AI do the heavy lifting for you when creating video. Teasers, trailers, movies or entire franchises. I've been working with many amazing clients with different video needs and I can wait to hear what's yours. Sign up for my YouTube channel right now and receive practical tips that you can work with. Thanks for watching, I'll be back.